refresh. Hello guys, welcome to week 3. What are we expecting this week? Alright, let's go through the XY for 3. Let's see our expectation for this week. Okay, so the XY in the weekly chart, and this is what it looks like on the weekly chart. We are ascending to the upside on the weekly chart, and if we look back to this zone, we have a double top formation, which the neckline falls with where our rejection starts from here. Also, if I go down to Fremont, network is a little slow this night. I want to see the structure, and the structure is showing to me that we are breaking lows. So this low was taken, price retraced, price took out this low. So we have this high and this low to be taken. So the difference in this zone and this zone is simple. This zone price correct to the upside, correct upside. Okay, which is an ascending channel for a drop. So if I'm to start counting where, let me remove all this so that I can have a proper view of this. If I should start counting my touches, I will say this is the impulse, and my correction start from this bullish retracement back. This is where my correction starts from. So I have something like this. Then I'll have another one like this. Then this will be my first high, correction first high, and it will go like this. So this will be the skeletal trend line that I'll be using. This will be my skeletal trend line. Okay, so this will be my first pullback. This will be 1. This will be 2. This is 3. Touch and this touch here will be the fourth touch if I have a touch down here. Now this will be my first touch. Yeah, this will be my second touch here, and this will be my third touch. Also, if I'm to redo this, this will only be 1, this will be 2, and this will be my 3. Why? Because this move here didn't come to the top before dropping, it just moved and bounced again. So I categorize it as one move, just as I categorize this as one move before drop. This is still one move before drop. So 1 1, first touch, second touch, second touch. So this is the third touch here, and price is coming for this third touch also presently. So with that in mind, okay, take it down to early. So this in mind, it won't look very good when I get down to hourly, so I would like to discard the hourly view and stop at the daily view. I don't want to see the hourly view. Let me just see it on the daily view. So 3 months, let's go down to weekly and ascertain this. So on the weekly, the reading affects all the lines we have in here. You can see how it looks now on the weekly. It's clean on the more higher time frame. When it gets to weekly, it looks somehow. So our support and resistance zones is still active, and we can see how price was relating with our trend line, and we have double bottom here, pulled, retraced, correct, pulled, retraced. So here I was expecting price to be selling off, but when I go down to a more lower time frame, I see price doing something else. So this is my first touch. My first touch is there, second touch is there, second touch is there. So this is my third touch. So this third touch, I'm really interested in this third touch to sell off. Okay, and I really got an impulse with what market did. Market impulsed down, correct a little, impulsed and dropped. So here we are. For like 2 weeks, market has been taking out a lot of stop losses here, because to me, if I go down to daily, I'm seeing something entirely different on the daily time frame. See what daily is giving. It's giving me something totally different. Totally different. So 1 2, and price took out this third. So let's go down to 1 2. So we have this 1 2, and market maybe third touch there. Now so let's take this for example. First touch, second touch. This is third. You can see it bounced off this third, and market broke out. So market is supposed to come here and push higher. So I'm not expecting market to buy, but because market has proven to be in a state where I can't really say we are selling, because everything has changed. The direction has changed from this zone. I was expecting to see something with a good view, but it looks like we are ranging. Looks like we are ranging in this spot. Price has closed above the trend and now is ranging between the supply zone. So because I'm seeing an impulse here, I'm seeing this to be a correction to the upside. So if it goes to the upside, then I'm looking to see a buy opportunity when it retraced. But if price should come back in, retest this, then I'll look for a sell opportunity down to this trend first on the XY. So this week is packed with Monday is holiday, bank holiday, so we still have Tuesday and we have Thursday to have some important news. So this is just a view that I have already in mind that I'm trying to work with. This. If market has broken this, if market should come retest this, for example, let me take out some of this, because on a high time frame it's saying something different, and I would love to see this. So let me see my supports here. My support here. Price supported here, supported, broke, retest and support, and price also supported this zone here. So where will be my next itch? My next itch will be this resistance here, this next resistance here, and this next resistance here. These are my next itch zones that I'll be looking out for. Okay, so the zones that I'm looking out for. I'll probably not rearrange this, because these are my zones that I'm particular about presently. I want to see what happens when price get to these zones. Don't mind my too many rulings, I just have to indicate this. I want to see what price will do when price get to these zones. So let me clean up all this. I don't need all this again. I don't need this. I don't need this. I have more bigger lines now. I don't need all these minor inside trends anymore. So this is what my view is like now. This is what my view is like now. So I have touch 1 correction, touch 2, touch 3 correction, price boom out. Now price is supposed to retest at least this support, and price got to the support to have an impulse. So this is a correction for me. I'm expecting price to push out. If price should push out of this zone, why did I mark this zone? This is the zone I marked. This resistance and this support, price broke it, and price the resistance. Price should come down to this. I'm also going to be looking for buy until it's broken. So either of this or this, I'll be looking for buy setups on these two. So where am I going? Heading for this high, because we have to take out these hold liquidities that are hanging over here. After all, we've taken out the inside range liquidities. All these lows has been taken out until price get to this strong demand and could take out this. So we are awaiting the taking out of this external range. So we look forward to the external range liquidity to be taken. So these are my directions for the XY. If I see a daily close above here, I would love to see a retrace, and if price doesn't give me a retrace, I would love to see a break above here. I will just try and wait as much as possible until it cooks up very fine for me. You actually know that the market doesn't really like to cook up something for you. But I like to play the blind spot mode, like I don't see, but I actually have what I'm waiting for. So if the market provides what I'm waiting for here, I'll take a risk entry, because here would have been the best place to buy. I would have loved to see this correct down here, then boom, I'll risk very high here compared to my risk here, because this is a resistance. So this resistance is waiting to be broken out. If it doesn't break, then I'll see if this resistance can come back to the support here, and if I get the bullish engulfing morning star hammer here, then I'll go down to an entry time frame to get an entry down for daily move. So my target would be this high here, would be my target. I think that's that I have for now on the XY for the week 3. So let's be patient and let the market cook well, as there's holiday on Monday. So we'll see Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for good setup to form according to the plan we have. So this is the foundation roadmap that we have. So we are waiting for the blocks to come up and lay off, then we start putting cement. Alright, do subscribe guys. I love you guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.